Welcome to Grace City. What I love about Grace City is the community, and every Sunday feels like I'm at home.
What I love about Grace City is all of the kind people, and everyone just feels so connected.
What I love about Grace City is every Sunday how welcoming and nice everybody is.
What I love about Grace City is how intentional each part of the service is and how it's always focused on God's grace.
What I love about Grace City is the wisdom, humility, and Christ-centeredness of the preaching and leadership.
And finally, what I love about Grace City is Pastor Rich and Pastor David. You're always truthful and honest about everything that goes in the Bible, and you don't hold back on telling us what is the truth. And thank you for that, and happy birthday, Grace City.
Hey Rich and Natalia, just want to say happy church anniversary. I'm so thankful for everything that you guys have done at Grace City. I've really appreciated growing in our relationship together as well as the church community.
Hello, Rich and Natalia. Just want to congratulate you on 9 years of running this church. I haven't been here for a good part of it because I've only started attending a church in September. But so far, I really, I love your hearts. I love the worship. I love the emphasis on grace. I love the young people and their enthusiasm. It's been a blessing to get to know you and to get to know the small group leaders and a few other people that I've kind of gotten to know since being here. But anyway, so far it's been great, and I wish you the very best in your 10th year.
Hi, we're the Bowens.
I'm Tasha.
I'm Johnny.
And one thing among many that I'm very grateful for at Grace City Church is the community, specifically the role of life groups. When I joined Grace City Church, I was in my mid-20s and was feeling really distant from God, and having a life group and having that community to hold me accountable but also spur me on spiritually was really, really crucial in my walk with Jesus.
And for me, after rededicating my life to Christ back in 2017, in many ways I've been able to grow into spiritual maturity into this church. I've been baptized in this church. I met my wife in this church. We even have a young son now, Avery. I'm just extremely grateful for all the people we've been able to do life with together, and looking forward to many years to come.
Happy anniversary, Grace City!
Happy anniversary!
Happy birthday, Grace City Church! We're just so thankful for this church and for the community that we found here. It's been so healing. We've just really enjoyed being a part of just the incredible community in life groups and in the church itself. And we're so thankful as well for people like Rich and Natalia and so many leaders, life group leaders, and just other people that near and far that have prayed for this church and for the city and continue to. So we're just so thankful for that.
Yeah, and it's just been a really great place to be part of this community, and we've been able to rest and heal, and God's really blessed us, and we've seen God bless others, and it's just been really nice to be part of this church, and we thank God for what He's done in the past here at Grace City Church, and we thank God that He walks with us and He's going forward, and He goes before us on this journey.
And happy 9 years.
Happy 9 years.
Hi everyone, this is Sharon. I just wanted to thank Grace City for being my safe space here in Canada. Being away from home sometimes makes me feel lonely, makes me miss everybody there. But being in Ottawa and finding Grace City Church was a blessing, and now I can say that I feel home again. Meeting with Rich and Natalia, and also everybody else, all my friends, the community, the Latin community also makes me feel like home again. And I thank God not just for our pastors and for the church, but also for putting love and community in all of our hearts. Thank you so much. Happy anniversary, Grace City Church.
Happy anniversary, Grace City! We miss you guys. We love you lots. So we wish you the best from here in Victoria.
It was such a pleasure to serve with everyone in our time in Ottawa, and we miss you lots.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Take care.
Good night.
Happy birthday, Grace City. It's so exciting to think back at our time at Grace City and how blessed we were, and to be served by the leaders and to serve alongside them, to be in a church in the heart of a city with such a heart and a passion for that city.
I can't believe it's been 9 years since you all gathered in your living room. Rich and Natalia, we're so grateful for your leadership. We're so grateful for the culture that you built up at Grace City. We're grateful for a place where we were invested in, where discipleship was the name of the game, and just having gospel-centered services every week throughout my 7 years, your 6 years there. So we're excited for the next 9 years, and we just wish you all the best for the future. We love you lots.
Bye.
Richard and Natalia, it is so wonderful to celebrate this 9th anniversary milestone with you and the guys at Grace City. We so love you, we so love your family, and we just so appreciate Grace City Church and the wonderful journey that you've been on as a community. We're so proud of you. We remember back to the times where here in the UK you were pioneering, starting things, leading things, pastoring people, reaching out to people with the gospel, sharing Jesus and seeing people's lives touched and changed. It's a joy to see you doing that internationally and doing it so fruitfully there in that capital city of that great nation. What an amazing journey you've been on, what an amazing church it is. We love you guys at Grace City, so proud of you. Keep going, keep representing Jesus, keep bringing change to that city and to culture. In Jesus' name.
Rich and Natalia, I just think you're both wonderful. I think, Rich, I love how you just build, you give, you're sacrificial, you're so dependable. Natalia, you're so cheeky, so feisty, you make me laugh, you're a good friend, you're so committed and loyal. We just, like Joel said, we're so proud of who you both are and your 3 dear children, and love the way you love the church, and it means that the church, just when we kind of come and visit and hang out, everyone we meet is just all of you guys are just, it's just great to be with you, and you're so welcoming to other people, and just so fun to be around, and so outward looking, which we just think is just fantastic. We love you all very much. Have a great day.
Bless you. Well done, guys. 9 more years, hundreds more years.